every single writing aspect that you are trying to deal with, it has to be connected. What people, what I have observed of late is, in order to publish hurriedly, they don't get through whatever the literature has offered by then, by the period they've started their studies, or they've started doing research into that dimension. So this is one good area where I feel there is this gap sort of thing. There is this trouble sort of thing which is available, and getting directly into research without understanding what has been done in the past and what the future is trying to offer you, it brings a gap sort of thing. So you have to overcome, and in order to overcome, you'll be requiring thorough and many a times you will have to repeat a similar set of exercise. So yes, I think in order to dive into whatever is required, you will have to do lots and lots of hard work, lots and lots of the term research is again can be broken down into two aspects: re and search. So you have to continuously do this search sort of thing again and again until you obtain your goal.